Hey guys, I'm on my way to a store called Daiso in Kata. I think it's like a Japanese store where everything is really cheap. So I just got here and I found something. I'm gonna show you what I got. I didn't get so much things. So I wanted something a bit colorful on the bed. Not colorful, but not dark on the bed because the bed is going to be all black. So I found these tiny cushions and I got two of them because they're really small. So that's cute. I wanted like desk organizers just so it can look a bit more organized. So I found these, and also they come in black, so I got one black, but this one is kind of different. I found these. They're also tiny, but yeah. And if you know Daiso, everything is pretty much for 7 reals. Everything I got is for 7, which is I'll insert it in dollars here. Guys, I'm just painting this frame that I found at my house. It's really old and it's pink and it doesn't go with his room, so I'm painting it black. And I also printed our picture here, which I'm gonna put inside this frame. So here is the before shot. I know it already looks really nice, and the main thing we're changing is the color of the bed. Obviously it's gonna be black and we're gonna try to match it with a few decorations. So we also got a fitted bed sheet. I didn't get it, my boyfriend got it. So we're gonna put this, and on top of it the black. He also got a duvet, which we're gonna put inside the black. Anyway, you're gonna see everything in the time lapse. So as I said, we put the fitted sheet and we got it gray because we didn't want everything to be black. On top of it, we're using the things I bought from Shein. So it's 2 pillowcases and one, I don't know what to call it, sheet, I guess. And we're putting this inside of it, which is the big fluffy white thing, which also I don't know how to call it. But yeah, honestly, really good quality. I really recommend buying them from Shein. I really like them. So I noticed that the pillows I bought are way too small for the bed. We ended up putting them on his gaming chair, so this way he can rely on them for his back. And then we used the containers, organizers, I don't know. We put his stuff inside of it, just kind of like decorate the room. And here's the frame with our picture. I ended up putting the plants next to it. You're gonna see it in a moment. We also opened up the frame he has. It's a painting actually, and it came with the house, so we just opened it. And yeah, here is how I decorated the mirror, I don't know what to call it as well. And honestly guys, this is my favorite spot right here. I don't know why, it just looks so aesthetically pleasing. And this one is for the pencils and stuff. And he also bought a black trash, which we put next to his desk. And here are the tiny pillows. It's a few weeks later. And I got some extra things to put in the room, but nothing very huge. There's this tiny trash. It's not a trash, it's actually for pencils. But we're gonna use it as a small desk trash. So this is going to go on the like gaming chair, so when he's playing he doesn't have a back pain and neck pain. Chalkboard, yeah, that he can put in the room and write things on, or just leave a nice message. So for now, that is all for part 1. I'm gonna do a part 2, but I didn't want to keep you guys waiting. So hopefully part 2 is gonna come very soon. We still have to change like the curtains to make them match with the room and a few other things, which I'm not gonna say. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!